What's up, everybody? Jerry with Dip and Rip Trading here for another video. This time we are going to be talking about ticker symbol AMC. Today is August 26th. It is currently 9:20 p.m. Central Standard Time, and we are going to just jump right in. So today, AMC finished the day at $40.31, down $3.65 for a total of $8.3%. In the after hours, we climbed just a little bit, just under 1%. And finished the after hours at $40.71. So remember a few days ago I was talking about how this type of run that we were on was not sustainable in the slightest, and I was expecting there to be some sort of retracement because that's just how AMC has been running over the last few weeks. I mean, it's starting to be systematic now and predictable, which is good to see. I mean, it makes things a lot easier, and it makes it a lot easier to set expectations and kind of to know what's coming. Now, again, this could change on a whim at any point in time, especially if there's news that comes out, or hypothetically if the squeeze starts tomorrow. Not saying that it will, just saying that that would trump any kind of technical analysis or anything like that. So just keep that in mind when watching these videos. Real quick, I do want to jump over to Ortex. Let me go get you guys the Ortex data. All right. So almost net neutral in the day. So the short interest change was down 1.1%. Return shares was 3.31 million. Borrowed was 2.15 for a net borrowed change of 1.16 million. The shares on loan is still around that 106 million share mark. The utilization is back up 2%. Now it's currently under 91%. Let's see. Looks like the exchange reported short interest has also increased. That's currently at 92.42 million. Percentage of free float on loan is just under 21% there. So overall, I mean, we're still kind of net neutral in terms of a lot of these numbers. Haven't really seen a whole lot of change. Nothing really too drastic. I would say one thing that I did see is that current short interest to free float from today was reflecting 16.81% on the day. Now, again, I personally think that this number is a little skewed. I don't really always believe that number specifically. The main thing that I always look at is the amount of shares on loan, because that just continues to increase, which is just validating the fact that they're just continuing to double down and increase their position. So that'll pretty much be that for the Ortex stuff. Now, jumping back over to the chart. So again, remember just referencing my video from Tuesday where I was talking about don't be surprised if we retrace in between that 50 to 61.8% retracement zone, which is basically what we've been doing. Today, we pretty much traded all within from 38.2% down to 50%. I would expect there to potentially be another dip down even further. And then hypothetically, I mean, depending on how quickly that happens, we could bounce tomorrow. We could see another red day tomorrow, or we could even just trade sideways. Again, any one of those three scenarios could happen. It's, keep in mind that nothing is a guarantee. So it's just something to think about. I would say if you're looking to enter, though, I think the bottom of that 61.8% retracement is a good step. And then you could even set a stop loss, I would say, probably around $37.97 or $38, or if you want to risk a little more, $36.50. So those are kind of those two levels that I would set stop losses at if you're looking just to swing it or day trade it. Excuse me. Now, what I would expect, honestly, is, let me go ahead and draw this trend line. So I would expect it to be some sort of dip in the morning. And then from there, I think we might get a little bit of a consolidation into like power hour. And then hypothetically, I think we could finish green. That's just me. It's just kind of what I believe this stock could do. just based on what I've seen. I mean, not only that, but also think about where we're at now. This is the 1 hour that I'm looking at. So you see how this is still trading sideways, but you notice how the RSI is starting to trend up. This is just a small indicator of bullish divergence. So this could be an indicator that, yeah, we might have a sell-off, but we could rip back up tomorrow and get hopefully back to where we were on Tuesday. So you guys have seen AMC run hard on days. I mean, shoot, Tuesday we ran what, 25% in a day. So it's very possible that it could do it again, but like I said before, it's not a guarantee. And keep in mind that this is just for entertainment purposes. I'm not a financial advisor, so please be sure to do your own due diligence. Or if you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them in that comment section below. I'd be more than happy to chat and hear anyone else's opinions on AMC and kind of what they think. So also a couple of other things I like to look at. So currently the 15MA is trading over the VWAP. That is where it finished in the after hours. And then it's also trading over that 200 EMA. So, excuse me. So we are still favoring the bulls as of right now. I would like to see this 15 MA stay above. A lot of the times once we see a breakdown below these two, it's usually in bearish territory for a pretty prolonged amount of time. At least it has been previously. So other than that, that'll pretty much wrap it up for AMC. Definitely keep an eye on it for tomorrow and expect a dip further. That's all I'm going to say. Expect a dip further, because the last thing you want to do is enter in too early and then we have a sell-off down into that 61.8% retracement, and then we bounce up from there. So keep that in mind when you're looking to enter, or if you're looking to add to your position. I would definitely look to enter in around that 38.50 mark, maybe even a little bit lower, around $38. But that's where I would look to. So again, that'll do it for this video. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. If you guys have any comments, again, leave them in the comment section below, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks.